Welcome back. What we're going to do is kind of bring you up to date what's been happening here. We had an electrician come through yesterday and wanted to change some things that were a little outdated. I'll tell you what we had originally. Originally there was one switch over here that when you turn it on, it basically turned your light on and at the same time turn on the fan. Is that problematic? Well, think of this. You're in your shower, you have a nice hot shower, lots of steam. You come out of the shower, you leave the bathroom, you shut off the light, and in effect what you're also doing is shutting off the fan. So you've got all this hot humid air that's staying in your house. You don't want that. Let me show you what was up there for the fan. This is the box that was actually up in the ceiling right here, fastened as such. This little motor right here is what drove the fan. That's the fan system. Problems? Well, the number one problem is with any type of these fans, and nowadays, you know, the big thing is that they advertise them as low noise. You know, you're paying close to $300 for them. At best, it doesn't really matter what CFM or cubic feet per minute movement they have. I say, this is just my own opinion, they have about a 40 to 50% effective rate. And let me explain why. When this is mounted up in the ceiling, usually what the installers don't do or forget to do is put some spray foam insulation around the edge or some caulking so that you'll be sealing the edge where the fan meets the ceiling. It doesn't happen. I've never seen it when I've done a bathroom reno. What happens is that right here it's sucking warm air the whole year round up in your attic. So if anything, it's costing you money to have this in your bathroom. What I do when I remove the fan, when I remove the existing light that was there when I was up in the attic, where the appliances were, you put up some vapor barrier using tuck tape to tape it to the existing vapor barrier. So what you're doing there is you have your nice barrier that doesn't allow any vapors in. Basically, that's why they call it vapor barrier. So then when you put your insulation on it, there isn't going to be any type of if this vapor barrier wasn't here, you run the risk of warm air, cold air in the attic, possible condensation concerns, mildew, mold, etc. What we've replaced, the one fixture that was just an incandescent, a couple incandescent bulbs which throw off really a yellow glare light. We installed two pot lights, halogen pot lights, so you're getting a nice, with a GU10 bulb, a nice clear day light, which is going to be nice to feature the travertine marble tiles. We're going to leave this existing fixture over where the vanity is going to be. We'll replace it. We'll update it with a nicer halogen fixture that is going to give off better light. And this little baffle that you see here is basically the new fan system that we've installed. The beauty of this fan system, this is as 100% effectual as you can get with a fan system. They're not overly expensive. You know, they're about $350 for the complete kit, and a few hours to be up in your attic installing it. I think the reason they're not used a lot is that 3 hours up in your attic installing it. Just to give you an idea, what we've also done, which takes care of the fan shutting off when you leave, there's a timer switch on it. So when you come into the bathroom, you just click that on. There's 30 minutes on it. Now, what you hear right now is all you hear, and basically it's the movement of air. You don't hear the blower at all. The motor itself is fastened up on the trusses in the roof. This system is rated, the actual motor is rated at 158 cubic feet per minute movement. What that means is, when you're looking at this bathroom and we're talking about, say, 9 feet by 7, 63 square feet by 8 feet high. So, you know what, approximation around 495, let's call it 500 cubic feet. So this fan is going to move all the cubic feet of air in this bathroom every 4 to 6 minutes. So once you leave the bathroom, as long as it's on for another 10 minutes, close the doors. No problems with condensation on your mirror, etc. Everything is vacated. Odors, and more importantly, all the humid air from the shower. So what we're going to do now is I'm actually going to take you up into the attic, and I'll show you the fan installation so you can see what that's all about. I'll see you up in the attic.